11. Page number 11. Okay. Write date CW. CW, this is your classwork. Okay. Cross out the odd one. These are hand wear things. These are gloves 1, 2 and 3, but this is glasses, so we cross it because this one is odd one. Okay, these are cards, and this is bicycle. Bicycle is odd one, so we cross it. These are animals. These are animals, but this is bird, so we can cross it. In this picture, these are footwear, but this one is gloves, so we can cross it because this is odd one. Now your page number 11 is done. Page number 12 is your homework. You write date HW, count the bubbles and write the correct numbers. ये bubbles हैं, you count the bubbles and write their numbers. Thank you.